welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita and guess what? Ta-da! Another unboxing video. ये पैकेज कल आया था and I am so excited to open it because dude, this came in yesterday evening. I've been looking at it and I'm dreading, oh my god, I want to make an unboxing video. When will I open this? When will I open this? And finally वो घड़ी आ गई है. साल में एक बार आता है इतना बड़ा नायका का पैकेज बिकॉज मिडिल क्लास हो, समझा करो. सो और ज़्यादा ना रुकते हुए लेट्स बिगिन. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. एनीवेज, this is gonna take a hell lot of time.
2,000 years later.
The box is so pretty. Wait, I can see it. This is so nice.
One eternity later.
Are you ready? Oh my god! Look at that! Oh मेरी आवाज. Okay, right. All right. क्या चाहिए है और लड़कियों को? This is what makes us happy. Girls, are you with me on this? This is what makes us happy. Like, bro, the box, the packaging is so pretty. Okay. All right. It's not over exaggeration. It's genuine excitement. Oh, इसको cello tape है. Let's cut that. It's genuine excitement. Only girls get it. If boys तुम देख रहे हो, देखते रहो. Because ये सब चीज़ों में excitement पाना. Oh my god, this is the best feeling ever. Okay. So first of all, we have this is the B-Body Wise का underarm roll-on, which actually affected really well. I won't show you my underarms right now. I mean, nobody wants to see that. But जब इसका result बहुत अच्छे से visible होगा तब I will definitely show you. But my waxing वाली आंटी told me that बेटा क्या कर रही हो, अच्छा रिजल्ट दिख रहा है, काफ़ी हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन कम हो गया है. सो दिस इज़ द B-Body Wise रोल ऑन. दिस इज़ नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड, इट्स जस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वर्कड ऑन मी एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टू ट्राई आउट एंड आई विल एक्चुअली गिव यू द रिव्यू बिकॉज आई लव डूइंग दैट. यूट्यूब क्यों खोला है मैंने? ओह, okay, this is the last product I'm gonna show you. This is not the product I'm gonna show you शुरू में ही. Okay, so there's this company called Dermaco. Okay, so the Dermaco has actually helped me with my skin a lot because after my dermat and all appointments, because last year I struggled with a lot of forehead acne and all. Maybe it was because of the makeup that I had to constantly apply during the mega play. But like मेरा एक theatre play था for that. So I have been using the Dermaco का moisturizer and sunscreen which has been great on my skin. Personal opinions, and this is still not sponsored because इतने से कम subscribers में sponsorship नहीं मिलने वाली मुझे. I'm just saying my experience. So I am going to try its vitamin C face serum. This is the face serum. The whole Dermaco ka kit, I got that, like the serum, the face wash, moisturizer and sunscreen in like 1,555 rupees. This is the serum. Yeah. How much? 30 ml. It goes a long way, by the way. I have not been a serum person, but since my skin has been like pretty bad lately, I am going to start using the serum. Then we have this is the moisturizer Dermaco that I've been using. It is very lightweight on my skin and personally I love it a lot. Like, it's very lightweight. It gives you that hydration to your skin because उसमें glycerin है. Yeah. This is the okay, right. I ordered Love Beauty and Planet का shampoo and hair mask because I have been struggling with a lot of hair fall. Okay, so I ordered the onion black seed oil and patchouli. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, so hair fall control. So it's sulfate free, and I have seen a lot of people use it. So I'm gonna try and review it. This is the anti hair fall serum, which consists of rosemary and onion. So I'm going to review this as well because I think I need this in my life, because this is like gonna save my hair. Please, it should work. Then this is the hair mask, because the thing is, my hair gets dry really fast, and Pune ka climate is बहुत ज़्यादा dry. That is why I need to keep my hair nourished, and खुद की care करना is the first priority everyone should have. Oh, by the way, this package almost consists of 15 products, and I cannot believe मैंने इतना सामान खरीदा है. It costed me around 5k, and मुझे बहुत गिल्ट आ रहा है. But anyways, since only child who और किसके लिए करेंगे? Okay, so this is the body wash Be Body Wise से. So this is like the first time I'm ordering this. I usually use the Dove body wash, but this has salicylic acid, and I've been having this. It's not visible in the video, but ऐसे बहुत छोटे छोटे से bumps on my skin. I don't know why. Is it because of vaccine, or is it because is it the body acne or something? But it's something. वो जो bumps है, तो I saw the reviews कि जो skin पे bumps थे वो काफ़ी सारे चले गए इसकी वजह से लोगों के. That is why I have ordered this. And see, this is what prevents body acne and exfoliates dead skin cells. So we are going to try this, and I'm going to tell you how it worked on me. Give me 2 months for that, because it doesn't work really jaldi. Alright, and I have been searching for body lotions that have SPF, because मुझे बहुत बुरी आदत है बाहर जाने की धूप में. क्योंकि the thing is, my college, for anything and everything, they call us like after 12 o'clock. What's the use? I mean, bro, there is so much sun. We have to travel, not you. तुम लोग वहाँ पे पंखे में बैठे हो. But anyways, so this is the Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. This was like the best rated on Nykaa, and I was like, why not try it? Because a lot of people have been talking about Wishcare these days. A lot of influencers were talking about it, so I thought, try करके देखते हैं. And नहीं ही सूट, I mean, I don't think नहीं सूट होगा, because the thing is, I needed sunscreen for my body, right? सिर्फ फेस पे लगा के क्या होने वाला है, because look at the difference in the skin tone. टैन तो ऐसे ही इतना सारा हो चुका है. Then we have the Dermaco sunscreen that I've been using. Actually, I had the pump wala bottle, and it was so good. It does not leave any white cast. It's very long lasting. It gives like this dewy glow, and like मैंने एक बार randomly खरीदा था वो sunscreen, but it worked very well on my skin. So bonus points for that. And yeah, this is the gel vitamin C gel face wash. So the face wash is something that I'm going to try for the first time. ये और the moisturizer, ये दोनों चीज़ें मैं already try कर चुकी हूँ. ये face wash and the serum Dermaco का is I'm going to try for the first time. Let me show you something. सालों भर का टाइम लेगा ये चीज़. These are the products all together, and these cost me 1,555 rupees. I'll also tell you the cost. I don't really remember them now, each thing का, but I know this much कि मेरे को 5,000 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा पड़ा था, like 5,300, 400. What is this? Oh, right, my sheet masks. So Tony Moly के sheet masks are. I am a sucker for Korean skincare. It's just that I cannot afford it yet, but I will soon. So subscribe to my channel, guys. So these are, okay, box गिर रहा है. These are the Tony Moly के sheet masks, which are I got the avocado one, then the tea tree one, seaweed one, and the red wine one. I just use sheet masks for my skin hydration because my skin gets super dry in winters and summers. Maybe basically I have a combination skin, so these really work well on my skin. मुझे ऐसे sheet mask से कभी problems नहीं हुई है. And I think that is about it. Oh no, the last product. I forgot to tell you about the last product. So this is the most expensive purchase in the most in the least quantity. And just like I told you, I'm a sucker for Korean skincare. Ta-da! Laneige sleeping mask. अब इससे मेरे चेहरे पे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है वो हमको यूज़ करके ही पता चलेगा. बट दिस इज़ जस्ट 25 ml, या, एंड इट वॉज फॉर 725 रुपीज़. आई सिग्निफिकेंटली रिमेंबर दिस बिकॉज इसकी क्वांटिटी और इसका प्राइस देख के मुझे तो दिल का दौरा ही आने वाला था. मगर गाइज लुक हाउ क्यूट इज़ इट. द पैकेजिंग, इट्स सो क्यूट, इट्स सो स्मॉल, एंड लेट्स सी. It smells so good. It sort of smells like, I don't know, ऐसे बचपन में वो पॉन्ड्स का स्मेल जैसे याद रह जाता है ना. Don't you know, attack me for comparing it to Ponds or something, but it smells very similar. वो Ponds का winter cream आता है, just like that. Yeah, you'll know. So this is how it looks like. And I guess इसका ना बहुत ऐसा a little quantity goes a long way. So we will review this. I love this. UGC creator बन जाओ क्या? Anyway, so this was all the products I got, and I think I am pretty happy with the purchase. Let me count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 products. Okay, I can't wait. This is the whole thingy. अब एक बहुत बड़ी दुविधा ये है कि मेरे पास इसके लिए स्टोरेज स्पेस नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू गाइज नो एनी और इफ़ यू गाइज हैव एनी लिंक्स फॉर स्टोरेज स्पेसेस और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, आई एम सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज गाइज. ट्रैक्टर जा रहा है. सो इफ़ यू गाइज हैव एनी स्टोरेज स्पेस का लिंक्स on Amazon or whatever, the good quality ones, because the ones I got scammed. They were not that good. So please share the link with me, and if you want to buy any of these products, I will definitely send you the links of these products, or I will mention them in the description. And I hope you liked this video and enjoyed my yapping. So see you in my next video. Also comment down what kind of videos would you like to see in the future on my account, and I will make sure to make them, definitely. So like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye fishies. Love.